With so much bitterness and resentment, I made an inner vow to succeed no matter what, even without my parents or anybody's help. However, one day, I got pregnant with my hometown boyfriend. We eventually got married and started our family. We struggled to survive. I had to double my effort to raise my family, especially that my husband had no work, but was dependent on me and my earnings. My husband drank a lot and physically harmed me. Without my husband's support and help, life was difficult. Finally, after our third daughter was born, my husband left our home. I was left as a single mother, a solo parent, taking care of my entire family. All these trials and persecution drove me to seek the worldly ways of making money. I was introduced to illegal gambling business of Masyal. With great desire to earn, to feed my family, I was so driven to make big money. First, I became an usher. With my all-out efforts, I became a coordinator because I developed a lot of ushers under me. I became Marshall Queen. With a lot of remittances, my high LA income became lucrative. But because it was an illegal business, I would always be harassed by the police. In order to continue my legal business, I give in to the temptation of the lust and lust just for to get the police protection. Then came a time that I stopped with the expose of Chavez Simpson. But because I need money, I have to find another illegal business. This time, it led me to operate the video carrera. I operated 30 machines, and income was flowing again. This time, I was nicknamed Gambling Queen. But to continue operating the big-time illegal gambling business, I needed a continued and permanent police protection. I befriended police officers, gave them protection money, and even provided their entertainment and pleasure at bars and nightclubs. I even had live-in relationship after that, but all of them ended up in pain and misery. Truly, I live in a worldly life of sin for 33 years. Yet the Lord never gave up on me. Gospel came through a lady friend, advised me to give up my legal business and to attend the solo parents encounter conducted by a Catholic charismatic community. The spiritual encounter was the beginning of my total and complete transformation to a new life in Jesus. As I transgression, for the sense of rebelliousness, and for dishonoring my parents when I was young, for my unfaithfulness to the sacrament of marriage, and for giving in to the sin of the flesh just to earn money. During the solo parents encounter, I went to a confession for the first time in my 33 years of being away from the Lord. There, I also forgave all the people who have hurt me. Those experiences with the Lord changed me. I felt I became a new person, as the encounter was also followed by the Life and the Spirit seminar that our community sponsored. Today, I may not have financial abundance I used to have, but I have a true contentment and peace of mind that money cannot buy. The kind of peace that can only come from the love of God. I no longer do anything awful and sinful in the eyes of the Lord. I now live in a sinful life after I was stripped of everything I had. My houses that I had rented at Carbon Market were burned down, including all my belongings, during the fire at the Warwick Carbon last January 2014. Everything returned to ashes, leaving me nothing. Even clothes, even the money I have kept and saved in my room were all burned. Yet, the Lord restored them all as my friends from my community assisted me in my needs. As to my children, they are now living good lives, knowing the Lord. They are God's instrument of grace, as they provide me in my simple means to survive, while all my little income from woodworking sales. My apos are bringing me joy in my heart. Yet, my true happiness is being in the Lord, with my fellow solo parents, serving Him through our weekly worships, Bible sharings, mission work, and now proclaiming God's love. In the 9 years after renewed, I never miss a Mass or miss a visit to the Blessed Sacrament every day of my life. Brothers and sisters, this is me, sinner, forgiven, loved by my
splendor of the King, clothed in majesty. Let all the earth rejoice. Let all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light. In darkness dries too high.